everyone, this is Peggy. I am a hairstylist and I'm from the Netherlands. So this is my dear sister Ruth. She came to me, and what am I going to do today? I'm gonna cut her hair in layers, but before I'm gonna dye her outgrow. You can see her outgrow. I'm gonna dye it. Say hi, sister.
Hi, everybody.
Sister Ruth has very nice hair, so you can see very long hair. And she asked me to cut her hair. She wants more layers, she wants it shorter. And first I didn't want to do it because, you know, look at her hair. The color that I'm gonna use is a 9.1. It's a 9 ash. Why do I use ash? Because there is a lot of red tones in black hair. So to compensate it, I have to use an ash color. So that's why I'm taking a 9.1. That's a 9 ash color. That is what I'm going to use for her outgrow. And I'm gonna mix it with 6%. 20 volume, 6%. So now I'm gonna mix it together and then I'm gonna put it on her hair. And when I've done it, when I have dyed the hair, then I'm gonna show you how it looks. I have rinsed out her hair, and you can see she's not dark anymore. It's light, but what we really like in her hair are the highlights. So what am I going to do now? I'm gonna put some highlights in her hair, but only in the regrowth, because it's very nice when it's finished, when you see the highlights in it. And before I'm going to do that, I'm gonna put some of the hair mayonnaise just as a protection for the hair. So I'm using some hair mayonnaise in her hair, and I'm gonna leave it in when I put the highlights in her hair. It feels very soft and it protects the hair. Some people use Olaplex, but if you don't have Olaplex, you also can use this, a very good treatment, and hair mayonnaise or something you like that keeps the hair moisturized and very soft. So this is what I'm putting in her hair, and I'm gonna leave it in. And then I'm gonna put some highlights in her hair. Why is it green? Because they say that the green powder, it removes the yellow tones in the hair. And in black hair, dark hair, there's a lot of yellow tones. So we don't want to see that in the color. So I'm gonna mix it with 20 volume. Give it a good texture, not too thin and not too thick. It's a little bit thick, so I'm going to put a little bit more. I'm using 20 volume. It will lift it very nice because I'm gonna use some of the folies with it. So, just a little bit more. So, this looks good. So now I'm gonna use the files in the hair. I have my clips. I've already made a section. You can see it has now a very nice caramel tone. But we love the highlights because this sister, Ruth, she loves the blonde. Blonde, 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 blonde. She likes it. And it looks nice on her. So I'm gonna take some baby lights. Why I like baby lights? Because it gives a very natural definition. Some baby lights, not too thick. So when it's done, then it looks very natural. And this is very difficult to do this on yourselves. Some of the pros can do it, but if you can find somebody to do it for you, it's better. You see only the regrowth. I'm only doing the regrowth. The ends, I'm gonna leave it. Take small sections, not too thick. And I'm doing it in wet hair, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. So, and the hair feels very soft because I put the hair mayonnaise, I've put it in it. So I really like it how it felt, really soft. You see small sections because I just want a natural look. And in the end, I'm gonna put a silver shampoo when I'm done with it, and I'm gonna leave it because the silver removes all the yellow tones out of the hair. So that is what I'm going to do when I'm done putting the folies. I hope you understand what I mean with folies. Okay. Hold it very tight, the folies. And don't be afraid to push on it so that it sits very tight and very good. Don't be afraid. Please don't use 12 peroxide, 12%. It's too much for the hair. Be gentle with it. I'm only gonna do the upper section, not here in the back. Yeah, yeah. And the crown. Undo the crown and the sides. That is what I'm going to do. This side has already processed very good. You can see it's very light now. Only thing that I need on it is now a silver shampoo, and then it's done. So when I'm finished with this, I'm gonna show you everything. So we are done. This is the finishing look. Sister Ruth is very happy with her color. We have done the regrowth and we have put some highlights in her hair. I have cut her hair. You have seen how much hair like a lion. Very long was her hair. She wanted to cut it. I cut it a little bit. No, she said more. I cut a lot more. And now she is happy. I've cut a lot from her hair. And she's very happy with her hair. And Sister Ruth, how do you think about your hair?
I'm so happy. Very beautiful.
Okay. If you like it, let me know. Have a nice Christmas time with each other. Stay safe and keep on praying, people. God bless you. Bye-bye.